Hi, parents and students. We are the 7A pod. My name is Mr. Sellers. I am the science teacher here. Just a few things that you should know about my class. I want your students to make sure they're checking their grades regularly. Make sure they're checking those in school for anything they might have missed or need to make up. Your students need to be prepared when they join us, so they need like pens and pencils. For my class, they need a notebook to record any notes that we might be taking. My classes will run the same way pretty much every day. We'll start with a bell ringer where they'll just answer a simple question, and they'll do that while I'm taking attendance. After that, we'll do some sort of classwork. So I'll share a PowerPoint, we will take notes, we'll do some sort of reading or watch a video, and then we'll work on some sort of assignment. After that, if there's any extra time, they can work on homework or make up anything they might have missed. If they have any late assignments or if they were absent, your students will be given time to make up any of that work, but a 0 will be given for their assignment after a couple days of not being done. They can make up that work though at any time. They just need to send me a message that says, hey, Ms. Sellers, I worked on this assignment. Please grade it for me, and I will update that in the grade book for them. When your students join my class, they will see this screen under their materials. So this is where we will have all of our school information. When they go to join a regular class, they'll use this green Zoom link for our regular classes. This blue one below is for our Thursday labs. The 7th grade science teachers have a group lab day. So on Thursdays, they'll have to use this other option to join our Zoom class. And my special help night is Wednesdays, and that is between 2:45 and 3:10. And to join that, students just need to click here.
Okay, I am Ms. Harkins. I am the 7A math teacher. And for my class, students pretty much will follow similar status as Mr. Sellers' class, but I start all my assignments every week into the week that they are given. So when they log into Schoology, in the materials section, it'll say, for example, this week was 9/28 through 10/2, and all assignments will be in that folder for this week. So if they are missing a day, they know exactly where to go and find the assignments from the week that they were out. There is a weekly homework assignment, always in Schoology, a weekly quiz in Schoology, and it's usually posted on a Monday, and then it's open for a limited time. It's not always guaranteed to be on a Monday, but Monday is most likely the day that it will be posted. They are also expected to complete 50 minutes of iReady every week. We are given time in class, so they're getting 10 minutes a day. So if they're doing it in class like they should be, then by Friday, they should have 50 minutes, no problem. If they are not in class, or if for some reason they don't get to that 10 minutes a day, then they can work on iReady at any time. It does not have to be during class, and get those 50 minutes so that by the end of the week, they get their points. I can best be reached by email, and we'll have that in a later slide. My special help night for math is Tuesdays at 2:45, but I can also do by appointment if that Tuesday is not going to work, or if you have a question on an assignment and it's a Thursday and you need help, let me know and I can also stay on another night. Students should have 2 ready math books, and they need them both daily. One is a workbook full of practice problems, and one is the instruction book, and we use both of them in class every day. When they log into My Schoology, it should look like this. They should have a button for Zoom, big old button here for iReady, and a link for special help. Down here, the upcoming pane will always show them what is due. I make sure everything has a due date attached to it. There's nothing really aside from the iReady minutes that their assignments should not be listed in Schoology. It will always be here, and they are open for them to turn in. Just if they turn it in late, then they start beginning to receive late credit instead of the full amount of points if they were turned in on time. And that sums up my class.
Welcome everyone. My name is Mrs. Keister. I'm the 7A social studies teacher.
I'm going to show you a few things about our class. So let me get that ready. In our class, we are going to be using Schoology to complete our assignments. I am expecting 7th graders to check on their work, and if they're missing something, they need to message me in Schoology or in through email. We want them to, ask questions if they're stuck on something, definitely send it my way. My special help night is Thursday from 2:45 to 3:10. Or if you need another time, I'll be glad to meet on another day. We're going to meet in Schoology for our assignments. We use Zoom, there's a link on there to get into our daily class. And then I usually have an update for special help nights. Students are responsible for making sure they have their Chromebook ready and charged. They need to check their email on a daily basis to get important information. Again, our virtual expectations, we're following that normal schedule. So class starts at 8 to 9:15, 9:15 to 10:30, 10:30 to 11:30, or 11:45, sorry. And then we take a break for lunch, and then 12:15 to 1:30, and then the students will have their relateds in the afternoon. You want to make sure that you log into Zoom. If you're late, you're going to be marked tardy. You are required to have your camera on. You need your video on. You need to be muted so there's less background noise. Minimize distractions to make sure that you're focused on learning. Again, our cell phone and dress code policies still apply. So make sure that your students are following those norms and expectations. Oh, let me go back here. I'm sorry, I had the other slide. I'll go from right here. Again, just, our classroom rules: be on time, be respectful, be prepared. There's a raise hand feature in Zoom that they can use, or they can unmute to ask a question. If they aren't following these norms, there's going to be warnings. They might be muted or their video asked to stop if they're being a distraction, and then calls and emails home to reach it to parents to see what's going on. And this year we're going to be doing a lot of math skills, and some math too, you never know. And we're going to be diving into different parts of the world and talking about world geography. So I hope to see your students in class. I hope to see them doing good things and working hard.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Kuhar. I'm the English language arts teacher for the 7A pod. I'm in room 207, so welcome everyone. A couple quick housekeeping rules. Make sure that, please, that you're on time for class. First class starts at 8 o'clock in the morning, and every class thereafter, especially coming back from lunch as well. Please make sure that you're on time for class. Make sure that you have your camera turned on, please. That is how we are able to know that you are in class. If your camera is turned off, then that we can't tell that whether you're in class or not. If you have any kind of technical difficulties or issues, please let us know and we can deal with those individually, one-on-one, and get those taken care of. Please make sure that during class that you are sitting up, that you're dressed, and that you're not lying in bed. Behave just as you would as if you were sitting in class. The chat feature in Zoom is nice because it allows you to ask questions and for the teacher to answer or ask questions themselves. However, it is not a feature to chit chat with other classmates, so please do not use it for that. When you do enter the classroom, please put your full name in the chat box. That way we know which student is which, and it's easier for us to handle attendance and things like that. My special help night is Monday from 2:45 to 3:10. When you're attempting to email me, please make sure that you use D. Kuhar. There are many Kuhars in the district, and it's easy to get us mixed up. So if you're emailing, it's dkuhar@eriesd.org. This year we will be using our grammar book and our brand new literature book. So when you received your Chromebooks, you should have also received 2 books when you came to school. If you do not have those books, please stop by the front office and they'll be able to take care of you and make sure that you have those. It's nice to have those in addition to using the computer. That way, if we have any technical difficulties, we can refer back to the book. So we're not just left with nothing to do. Again, email me if you have any questions or concerns. And let's look forward to a great school year.
Okay, my name is Mrs. Redger. I work pretty much with what would be Section 47. I take care of all the IEPs for this particular group of students. Some of you have me listed under your special for your schedule. Some of you do not. Basically, I will check in with kids along the way. If you have any help, if you need any help in any particular area, I can help you out or guide you where to go to get the special help. I do have a link under my special section on Schoology. Some of you have it, some of you do not. But for those of you who do have it, you can utilize it any day. I'm pretty much on from about 2:30 until 3:10 every day. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to email me or send me a message on Schoology. I'm here to help with whatever I can. We have a slide that you can reference to for our contact information should you need anything, email, and our special help nights are listed as well.
All right, last thing we want to share with you is our contact information. So you can use this information to get hold of any one of us. It has our emails and our special help nights. So if you or your students have any questions, concerns, or just need extra help on anything, please don't hesitate to contact us. Again, we are the 7A Pod, and we look forward to having a great year with your students. Thanks for watching our video.